finish your breakfast, please, guys. Thank you, ate. Almost done? Wow. Good dancing. Button. Oh, my belly, there's a belly button.
Good morning, I'm going to gymnastics.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, girl. Enjoy. See you later, alligator. Bye. It's cold again. Oh, guys, can you see the birds? Look at the birds there. On the ground, parrots.
Come on, Anna.
Go, Ayla, go in.
You can't see me. I'll hide behind the tree anyway. Yeah, bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bird.
Bye.
Bird, yeah. Can you hear it? Say bye. Bye. Bird.
Bye.
You said bird.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Aww. Hindi, come here. Hello, come here. Hello. Come here, please. Oh my gosh. Aww. Aww.
That was funny, Mommy.
That was very funny. You're a funny
Can we
boy.
sing?
No. Daddy said when he comes back, yeah?
Oh.
Yeah. Alright, come on.
Hi. Smash.
Come on, inside.
It's
You
all
too.
inside.
Umaambon. Umaambon. Come on.
You're my hero. Hiya. Bye-bye.
Bye. Push to close. Good girl.
My hero, Sarah.
Well done.
Yeah.
You did it.
Hiya.
Alright, come on.
I need that. I need my hero. That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. Are you done? You done playing?
I don't need to see that.
Alright. But when you're done with that, give it to me, okay? So it doesn't dry out. Yes? Okay. Good morning. Happy Sabado. Ang aga pa, guys. Ang aga umalis ni Dan at saka ni Ayla. Alam niyo ba saan sila pupunta? Punta silang J&J Panaderia. Yung nagbebenta ng mga Filipino bread. Oh, that reminds me. This bread is off. Sorry po. Wala na yan. Friday yan binili. Yan, nagpunta siya ng J&J Panaderia para makabili ng food, guys. Lagi namin nami-miss yung food nila. Like, pagpunta namin dun, wala na yung mga gusto ko. Nag-try din ako mag-message sa kanila to reserve. Busy sila, hindi sila maka-reserve ng food sa akin. Sabi ni Dan, huwag ka mag-alala, punta ako ng maaga one time before ng gymnastics ni Ayla. So, ang aga. Alas 10 pa lang yung gymnastics ni Ayla, guys. Dapat alis yan sila ng 9:30. Umalis na. Kaka-9 pa lang umalis na para makabili ng ng Filipino food. Tapos, hindi pa naman ito talaga yung gusto ko. But, naplano na kasi namin na, bukas punta tayo dun. Nagpo-post sila ng food nila Saturday morning. So, ito yung pinost nila kanina. Meron silang palabok, may green beans, merong atay na manok at saka balon-balunan, mechadong baka at saka yung creamy chicken. Creamy pastel chicken. Pastel siya. So anyway, yun yung pinabili ko kay Dan. So yung adobong atay at saka yung creamy pastel na manok. No, not yet. Kain tayo nito. Thank you, Charmaine and family. Sinan nila to sa amin, guys. Nag-unboxing kami nung the other day. Mga damit ng mga bata binigay nila. Tapos ito, 2 packs nito. Thank you. I love this biscuit. Hindi siya ganun katamis ha. So kung hilig nyo yung matatamis, baka hindi nyo ito magustuhan. Kasi para sa akin chill lang siya. Chill lang, pero gustong gusto ko siya. Do you want some? Can you finish that? What you have in your hand? All done. Nah. This is very messy. You have to stay with me. Come here, stay with me. Say happy day. Yeah? Yum, yum. Alam niya talaga. Gusto niya sa kanya talaga. Sige. Lucky, give! Where are you gonna go? To the lounge, okay? Para dun tayo mag-vacuum. It's very messy. Hoy, not on the rug!
Yay!
Diyan ka talaga. Let's go to Kuya. Come on, let's go to Kuya. Yay! Go to Kuya ka. Bye! Arlo! Oh, she loves Kuys. Where's your bowl, Didi? Where's your bowl? Hindi na ako kumakain kasi si Indy punta ng punta doon, hingi ng hingi. Kahit nakabit-bit pa. Sabi ko, put away ko na lang to kasi kung hindi ako titigil, hindi siya. Oh, by the way, suot-suot ko yung in-order ko sa Shein. Iba-iba pala siya, tapos single lang siya. So, hindi siya pair. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they said it there na hindi siya pair. So, yun dito, iba. Ito gustong-gusto ko to. Ito ba yung gustong-gusto ko? Hindi ko kita. Then, yung dito, iba din. Ang cute. Tapos, yung likod niya kasi ganyan. And ano to siya, gold-plated ata to. And nakatry na ako ng mga jewelry sa Shein. As long as gold-plated siya, hindi siya makate. Tapos, hindi siya tatarnish basta-basta. Tapos, ang mura lang. Nasa link yun ng haul ko kahapon ba ako nag-haul, guys? Or the other day ata. Hindi ko pa naayos yung mga link. Alright, look at all this laundry we have to do. A lot of laundry. Nakasunod na naman siya sa akin. A lot of laundry. Yay! Adi-di-di. Ada-da-da. Look at our laundry, people. Sabado. Alam mo yung kaka-laundry ko lang nung Wednesday. Kakatapos ko lang matupi. Yung tupiin ko kahapon. And then we have more laundry and more tupiin today. Or baka bukas na tong tupiin. Bukas na madry tong mga to. We'll see. Or mamayang gabi ba matapos ang drying. Let's do this. No. Put it back. We're washing that. Alright. This is definitely not one load only. So we will do multiple loads. Where are you, Dee? Hello! Alright. One load in. 2 loads lang ata tayo. No, not really. 3 loads, pero yung pang 3rd load, mga rug. Kasi pinalitan ko yung rug ng banyo namin kahapon. Help you with what? What's happening? TV is broken. Oh, yung internet namin, kinunek nila. Kailan nila kinunek? Kailan ba ako tumawag sa kanila? Kinunek nila yesterday morning. As in morning, guys, I didn't have to do anything. Because I opted for using our old modem. So, I don't know. I don't know. Baka pabayarin ako ng Telstra dyan sa modem namin kasi... Or baka kasali na yun sa kontrata. No? Kasi matagal na ako sa kanila eh. So, I don't know. Sana hindi ipa-return yung modem. Kasi good luck. Wala ka ng modem.
Mama!
What? What do you want?
No! See where we're in? John's one. Yeah, that one.
Pero na-connect siya, guys, nang wala akong ginawa. As in, wala talaga akong ginawa. And walang downtime. Napansin ko lang siya na nawala yung internet. But it was only for like less than 5 minutes. Same password kasi nga we're using the same modem. Same everything. And okay naman. Wala naman kaming nakitang kaibahan sa internet. Wala naman kaming na-feel. Nag-upload ba ako kahapon? Yeah, nag-upload ako kahapon. And okay naman. Upload na ata. Hindi ko na napansin. Tingnan natin. So yeah, that was really nice and smooth. I'm glad. Kasi iniisip ko, my gosh, sana walang downtime. Kasi aalis pa naman sana kami. Ayoko yung, alam mo yun, mag-asikaso ng mga ganyan. Pero no, nothing at all. So thank you. Thank you, Lord. So mura lang yung babayaran ko ng internet. Mas mura compared sa dati. Yan, na-upload na siya. Kailangan ko na lang gawa ng title, tas schedule. Ano bang title na naman ito? Tingnan mo ikaw. What do you want? Milk? Alam mo, hindi talaga natatapos yung mga... Natapos ko ba yung laundry? Yan, naload ko naman yung laundry. Nadidistract tayo sa'yo, di. Parang naplano ko na yung mga gagawin ko sa mga susunod na araw. Today, I wanna pack the kids' clothes. Siguro matatapos ko siya mamayang gabi kapag nakalabas na sa dryer yung mga damit. Kasi may mga damit doon na dadalhin ko ata. At least pack the kids' clothes. Yun yung plano ko today. Saglit lang naman kami, guys. We're only there for 5 days. April 1 to 6 lang kami sa Bali. Kasi nga Easter holiday lang talaga siya. Tapos, kasi anniversary namin ni Dan ng April 1, sabi ko April 1 na lang natin. Hindi kami makakuha ng maraming weekdays kasi work si Dan. Unlike last year na parang nag 9 days ata tayo nun. So, nakabook tayo ng 2 resorts. Now, because we're only there for 5 full days, isang resort lang yung binuka namin. So, iniisip ko, easy lang yung packing kasi 5 days lang tayo. Tapos, summer pa. Kasi iniisip ko, kasi bukas, pupunta kami ng Futi na Dan. And then, Monday and Tuesday, hindi ako mag-vlog kasi gusto ko i-edit lahat ng mga matitirang videos ko. So, I have 3 videos that I need to edit yesterday, itong video na to today, at saka yung bukas na video. Yan yung kailangan kong i-edit sa Monday at saka Tuesday na hindi ako mag-vlog. And together with the editing, I need to process all the documents as well to go to Bali kasi nagbago na naman ata yung requirements nila. The last time we went, which was last year lang, nagbago yung requirements nila nun. This year, may nagbago na naman daw. I haven't really dug deeper yet. Parang may nakita lang akong video na nagbago na naman daw. So, I need to process visas because now we need visas. All of us now kasi Australian passport na din ako. And then, yung customs declaration, health declaration din ata as I remember last year. Tapos, meron pa yung travel tax. Hala, baka wala natin gusto ko. Hello, Malab.
Hello, which one did you want again?
The chicken and the liver.
Okay, so what is it called? Chicken.
The adobong atay and the creamy pastel chicken.
And then what, sorry, cracked cream chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. So adobo. What's it called? Adobo.
I sent you a photo. I circled it.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I got heaps here. Is that all good?
Thank you, Malab.
No, see you later, bye.
Bye. Ang ingay mo, B. Talking to Dada. Oh, here. Oh, wala na si Daddy. Apakaingay mo. Ang lakas talaga ng boses niya. Ikaw na talaga ang panalo sa pinakamaingay na baby in the whole wide world. Oh, ano na naman? Milk? Where's your milk? I gave it to you. Let's go find it. Where is it? You gave it to boys? Where's your milk? So yeah, yun yung mga asikasuhin natin. And then final packing will be done on Tuesday because alis pala kami Wednesday ng madaling araw. I love you. Ito mag-work din. If you behave, then I can finish everything quickly. Not gonna behave. Binigay mo sa akin eh. Kinain ko. Is that okay? Love you. B, ano na? Lamig na ng kape ko. Ang struggle talaga, no, ay ang pag-title ng mga vlog. Alright guys, hindi ako titigilan itong anak ko. So, banding muna kami. Oh, hello my guys. Time is 11:58. Nandito na si Dan at saka si Ayla. Kanina pa yan sila. I was getting ready sa taas nung dumating sila. Timing, pakapatulog ko lang kay Edie. So, I got ready straight away because I need to get my nail polish removed. Yes, I will get it removed. I'm not gonna get it done again. I will just go for bare nails. Kasi namimiss ko yung walang kulay. I hate this. Like, ayoko yung ganito kahaba na. Nadudumihan na ako sa kanya tingnan. Nag-iiba, no? I don't know. Noon, it didn't really bother me. I'm like, kapag humaba siya ganyan, inisip ko lang, I'm gonna get it done again anyway. Now, it bothers me na. Ayoko na. Yung ganyan. Nadudumihan na ako sa kanya tingnan. So, I'm gonna get it removed. And I'm not gonna have any nail polish on. Do you wanna come with me? To the nail salon?
Will you let me watch the part?
I can let you watch the phone, sure. It will be quick anyway, yeah. If you want. But you don't have to. You can stay here. But if you want, you can come with me.
I'm sorry.
You want to stay here?
Would I get there's kids there? Would I get the kids a treat?
You want to... Yeah, yes. They have treats for kids.
Okay.
You want to come? You have to put your jumper back on. Wait, I need to call them.
Can you come, Mommy?
No. Only girls. Nail salon we're going to. You hang out here with Dada.
Oh, no, I'm going.
Oh, did Daddy give you snacks? No? So, ito yung binili ni Dan. 3 tubs. 2 lang yung sinabi ko. Last month, gusto ko na talaga sana siyang ipatanggal lang. Pero I was thinking as well, I wanted to try the Builder Gel. So, Builder Gel to. Mas gusto ko yung itsura niya. Mas flat siya. Mas normal looking siya.
Can I also get a lollipop?
Compared sa SNS. So, okay. Bumili si Dan ng puto. You guys want puto? Do you want puto now? Ay. Parang gusto kong kumain muna. Kain muna ako, no. 12:00 na eh. Kain muna ako. Hindi ko pa sila tinatawagan. I wanna eat. And then chicken. And then this is called creamy chicken pastel. Creamy pastel chicken. Pastel? Basta yun yung nakalagay doon. Ay, gusto ko to. Nagmamantika. Oh, wala masyadong sabaw. Gusto ko ng sabaw. Nagtinula ka sana, Day, kung gusto mo ba? Ay, namiss ko yan. Okay, kain muna ako. Kain na lang muna ako. Nakabag pa ako, oh. Maya ko na sila tawagan, baka sabihin, available na in 15 minutes. Alright. You ready, ba, love?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, Dada.
Bye, guys.
Not even feel.
Hello, bye, mate. Why are you angry?
I'm cutting on my makeup.
It's a nail salon for
Arlo,
girls.
do you want to go for a jog with Daddy later?
Bought some goodies and bought some toys.
Give me a hug. Love you.
Love you.
I'll see you later.
Daddy,
Mum comes back later.
good morning.
Love you too, baby.
What now?
No, Indy's sleeping there. We're staying in the bum.
Yeah, wait, we don't have
We
monitor, huh?
we can't leave Indy by herself.
Oh.
Bye, baby.
Can we? Or do you leave Indy by herself?
Alright.
I said we'll go and leave Indy by herself.
Yeah.
No.
Don't you wake up and nobody's
What shoes are you wearing, my love? Your Crocs?
Um,
Do you need to
now
pee?
my
I'm gonna...
favorite slippers.
Oh, you can, yeah. Our fit is from Zara Teens. I think this is the size 12 to 13. Yung hanap-hanap ako ng ganito, may ganito pala ako. 12 to 13 is the size. So, medyo mahaba to siya, but okay lang kasi meron naman siyang
You are small
cuff dyan sa...
size.
I am a small size, yes. But it's just a black set. I'm bringing my small sling bag today. Yes.
I'm size 28.
Yeah, your shoes.
Wow.
What do you mean, why? Yeah, I know.
Why am I size 28?
This is 36. The numbers are different. Like the clothes number different, shoes number. Come on, can you please close the cabinet? Thank you very much. And mine, yep. Thank you. Let's go. You ready, girl?
Yes.
Oh, Ate's top is from Zara as well. Leggings, I don't know, maybe. I don't know, Best and Less, Target maybe, Kmart, I don't remember. But shoes from Charles and Keith.
In Singapore.
From Singapore, yes. All right, let's go. And your bag is from Seed. Beautiful. Seatbelt girly. So, tinawagan ko sila and sabi ko, I would just need to get my builder gel removed. Sabi nila, okay, you can come in anytime kung removal lang yung gusto mo. So, let's go. Boosh! What do you want to listen to, baby? So easy? Yeah?
And I need.
The man I need. Nice choice. I love it. You guys. Bahay na kami ni Ayla. Kanina pa kami nasa bahay. Alam niyo ba yung nangyari? Look, sabi ko magpapa-remove lang ako ng nail polish. Yun talaga yung plano ko. Magpapa-remove lang ako ng nail polish. As soon as I got there, she did it. She was removing my nail polish. Tapos, tinanong niya ako, do you want it colorless or do you want any color? Sana, sinabi ko na lang na walang color. Kasi yun naman talaga yung pinunta ko dun, diba? Pagpunta ko, sabi ko talaga, please remove and that's all. Sabi ko. Tapos nung nakaupo na siya, ang ginawa niya, nagtanong pa siya. Sabi niya, are you sure you don't want any color? So sabi ko, if I go for a gel nail polish, gel ha, can I remove it myself? Sabi niya, yeah, you can remove it yourself. And then sabi niya, choose a color from the wall. Nasa tabi ko lang. So, hindi ko na kailangan kumuha ng like mga color. Nasa tabi ko lang. So, sabi ko, I just want something natural like same as my nail color. Akala ko may isasuggest siya. Wala namang siyang sinuggest. Sabi niya lang, choose from the colors there. So, meron akong mga nakita doon ng mga ganitong mga kulayan. So, ito yung pinili ko. And then, she did it and it took her a long time. Kasi yung ginawa niya, hindi gel. Yung ginawa niya is yung natural nail polish lang talaga. Yung regular nail polish lang. Ang tagal ko dun kasi tinapat ko pa to sa fan ng matagal. Sobrang tagal. Ang bilis lang ng pag-paint. Yung nagpatagal is yung pag-dry. Kasi hindi gel yung ginawa niya. Yung ginawa niya is yung natural nail polish lang. At saka, nandun na din kasi ako. Tapos na siya hindi na lang ako nagsalita. Yun yung problema sa akin. Hindi ako nagsasalita. Kasi ayokong maka-offend ng tao. So, naghintay ako doon. Nang matagal, natapos na yung isa na nakasunod sa akin. Hanggang natapos na din yung isa. Hanggang sa 3 na yung natapos. Yung mga ginawa nila, hindi mga natural nail polishes. Yung mga ginawa nila, mga acrylic siguro, SNS siguro, ewan ko. Basta tapos na yung 3. Nakasunod pa yun sa akin. Ako pa yung nakauna sa 3. And then, nandun pa din ako, nagpapahangin pa din ako ng kamay. Hanggang sa dumating sa point, kasi nagpapahangin ako, dadlawa na yung nag-check sa akin. Sabi niya, please wait a couple more minutes. Sabi ko, feeling ko, more than an hour na ako dun for a natural nail polish. And again, hindi ako nagsasalita. And gusto ko peaceful lang ang life. Alam mo yun? Pero ako na yung hindi peaceful sa sarili ko. Ako na yung parang naiinis sa sarili ko. Sa sarili ako naiinis. Hindi ako naiinis sa kanila. Sa sarili ko ako naiinis. Anyway, nandun ako na matagal na. Parang pawala na yung ibang tao. Sabi ko, patapos na din tong isa. 4 na yung natapos before ko. May katabi ako, ginagawa ng may-ari. Yun yung pang-4 na feeling ko matatapos na. Tapos yung may-ari na pa eye to eye kami, sabi niya, are you okay, darling? Sabi ko, can I go now? Sabi ko, can I go now? I've been waiting for a while. Parang finally nagsalita ka. Sabi niya, oh yeah, honey, you can go. Hindi pa kasi ako tapos. Kasi hindi pa nila ako nilalagyan ng cream, tas hindi pa ako nilalagyan ng towel. So, hindi pa talaga ako tapos. Alam ko na hindi pa ako tapos kasi doon ako nagpapagawa lagi. And kapag tapos ka na, minamassage ka nila Nilalagyan ka nila ng cream, tas minamassage. And then, yung towel nga na medyo mainit. Nung sinabi niya, yeah, honey, you can be done. Wala siyang kinuhang so tumayo na lang ako. So, hindi siya kumuha nung towel, hindi siya tumayo para bigyan ako ng hand cream. Tumayo na lang siya dun sa counter, papunta sa counter. So, sumunod na lang din ako at nagbayad. $25 for this. For the removal and for the natural nail polish na I'm pretty sure matatanggal very soon. Kasi natural nail polish doesn't last. But, yeah. So, yung ginawa ko kasi nainis ako sa sarili ko. Pagdating ko ng bahay, sinabi ko kay Dan yung frustrations ko na I hated it. I hated what happened. Sinabi ko sa kanya because I hate waiting. I hate wasting my time. Sana, sinabi ko na lang na walang kulay. Sana yung ginawa ko pagpunta ko doon is yung gusto ko talagang gawin. Alam mo yun? Kasi feeling ko matatanggal to soon. Before Bali, matatanggal na to. So, I was just thinking, I'm just wasting my money and I wasted my time. So, nung nalabas ko na siya kay Dan, alam niyo yung ginawa ko, nag-edit ako. And now, I feel productive kasi feeling ko talaga I wasted my time kanina. I finished editing the vlog yesterday. So, now I feel good. That's how I deal with stuff. Kung naiinis ako sa sarili ko, what I do is I do something na productive para to make it up. Yung utak ko okay na, parang nag-balance na siya. Okay na, yeah, you wasted time earlier but you did this. So, you're good. And tulog pa din kasi si Indy. Tapos si Dan at saka si Arlo nagpunta ng shops to do our shopping for hanggang Tuesday. Kasi may school si Ayla Monday at saka Tuesday. Again, Wednesday morning kami aalis. It is 3:45. So, I feel good. So, now, dalawa na lang yung i-edit ko, diba? Before tayo umalis. Yung vlog today, Saturday, at saka vlog bukas, Sunday. Kasi nga, hindi ako mag-vlog ng Monday, Tuesday para asikasuhin lahat. Para clear din ang ating mind before tayo umalis. You know what? While I am here and waiting for that to save, I will look for... Tingnan ko kung pwede na akong mag-fill out ng pang entry requirements. Gawin ko lang to and wala na. Super productive na talaga ng aking day. Kasi niisip ko gagawin ko to Monday, Tuesday. Kailangan ko mag-focus dito kasi kailangan ng mga passport information and all that. So, I'll just get all that. Let us pack, let us pack, let us pack. Ipack lang na. Tingnan nyo yan siya. Oh, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung suot. Tingnan nyo yung suot ng aking bail na day. Why are you wearing that? This is batang bail. Kinuha ko sa baba yung mga dadalhin namin na pang swimming nila. And gusto niya talang suotin yun. So, ayun. Suot-suot niya. Let's pack, guys. Yung damit lang ng mga kids. Kung mapack ko yung damit or most of the kids' clothes tonight, then I will be a very happy mommy. Okay? I've got Isla's clothes here. Kahapon nga ako nagtupi nung Wednesday ko na laundry. So, sineparate ko na yung mga ipapack ko. Isla's pajamas, kompleto na. Kay Arlo, may 2. Pero yung laundry namin tapos na actually. Kailangan na lang yun iakyat ni Dan. So, pag akyat nun, makukompleto na tong pajamas ni Arlo. So, ipack natin ang kanilang mga clothes. Uy, give me that. Clothes, and then nappies, swimming stuff. So, for Ayla, let's pack yung mga terno niya para dire-diretso na. So, we've got 1 outfit agad, 2 outfits agad, 3rd outfit, 4. Oh, diba? 4 na agad ang outfits ni ate.
Mommy.
Yes? Hindi. Yes, quiz?
Mommy, I have $3. I got 10 and 20.
Wow, it's a lot of money.
You only got.
Okay, go take a bath. Go, 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 go. Here we go. So this is our washing today na natapos na kasi ang aga ko siya sinimulan. Pahubad mo na kasi mag-swimming ka na doon. Oh. Baliktad din. Kapag nag-swimming, saka isusuot. Ngayon magsiswimming ka na, hubad na. Wait, akin na yan. Pinasuot niya to. Dito to eh. Ayaw na take this off too. Okay. Wait. Wala pa nga. Oh. Madagma yun ka. Batang bail. Kunin ko lang luggage. We have 30 kilos. So, 30 kilos. Oh yeah, 30 kilos. Dalawang 30 kilos. Wow, nagdalawa pala ako. Lagay natin dito. So, alright guys, tapos ko na ang damit ng kids. Puno na tong kanilang hanging organizer. Nakapagtupi din ako. O, diba? Ipuput away ko na lang yung mga yan, okay? I'm just thinking, meron pa ba akong kailangan dalhin? Feeling ko okay na. So, nandito na mga damit nila na sinobrahan ko syempre. Undies, swimwear, swimming nappies, floaties, sunscreen. Ilagay na natin to. So, dito ko yan nilalagay. Baka isang luggage lang kami, guys. Feeling ko isang luggage lang. I got this hanging organizer from Shein and I've had this for a long time now. Ilang taon na sa akin to, hindi pa din sira. Gamit na gamit ko pa din siya. And then, i-insert ko dito yung nappies ni Indy. You said bye to Dada? Come on. Up, up. Good girl. Up, up. Come to Mama. Do you miss Mama? Hug Mama? Aww. You miss Mama. Love you. Where are we going? Huh? On the plane? Say plane. Plane. Yes? Let me go to the plane again. Happy day. Always say happy day. Go. I know, there's a lot of clothes. Yes. Oh, happy day. Oh, say happy day to the guys. Oh, milk. Milk. It's milk. Tapos na yung one side ng luggage. Nandyan na lahat ng damit ng mga bata. Pang swimming, nappies. May insert ko pa yung wipes dyan kasi may space pa. Tapos yung pajamas ko din, na-insert ko din dyan. So marami pa tayong space. Ang ilalagay dito is... Ha, Bibi? Where's Bibi? Anyway, kailangan ko na itong patulugin guys kasi 9 na. And then mamaya, ano pa, ayusin ko pa yung pang Easter egg hunt ng mga bata pag tulog na sila. Bedtime na nito eh. What happened? Oh my gosh, what did you do? What did you do? Did you do that? Or kuya? Alright, go on the bed. Sige na. Good night na guys. Be good.